And so what we have here is the ability to use something called a section cut. And it's a new tool, well, new to us. And what it allows you to do is to cut away into a drawing, create floor plans, cut through the model, etc. So the first thing we want to do is we want to go up to View, go to Toolbars, and turn on Section. That will give us our section tools, which are up here. And the first thing I'm going to do is apply a section. I'm going to click over here to apply a section plane. It says draw section planes to expose interior details in the model, and it's the same button that's up here. I'm going to click it, and then when I get this widget here, and notice that it kind of conforms to the axes as I move. I can go to the green, I can go to the red. If I come up here, it'll snap to the rooftop, but if I hold down my up arrow, I can make it snap to the ground plane. I'm going to click, and as you can see here, it's chopped off the top of the house. I grab my selection tool, and what you have to do is you have to click. If you click on these little end arrows, nothing happens. You have to click on the section plane itself, and then I can grab my move tool, and I can move this down. And I can see various parts of my house. Technically, if you're doing a section plane, what you want from the ground floor up is 4 feet or 48 inches. I'm just going to drop that in there like that. And that is how I use my section tool. Now I can toggle the display of the plane, the section plane itself. I can also toggle the display cut. So I can turn that display cut on and off, and I can turn the section cut shape on and off as well, right? I can also have more than one section cut. If I go back to here and grab my tool, and I'll click it on the side here, you'll see I now have 2 section cuts. Only one section cut can um, can work at a time. Remember, I have to click on it, the actual shape itself to interact with it. And so I can use this section cut, or I can select this one and make it active and move it. And I have to choose which section cut I'm currently going to be looking at. Okay. This one's the active one. Got the active cut by right clicking, select it, move it. Okay. I can also, let's click on this one. Make this one the active cut, right click, active cut. I can also reverse. If I click on this, right click and choose reverse, I'm seeing the other side. Okay. And so this is good for creating floor plans or cutting through your model. Okay. And I can toggle on the display section planes. I can also toggle on whether or not the section cuts are being visible. Okay. That is your section cut tool.